In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Webflow through Google, open your site, and insert a form block that you can use as the basis for a simple login form. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and press Enter. You should see the official result near the top titled Webflow, Create a Custom Website. Visual Website Builder. Click that result. A quick tip here. Make sure the link points to webflow.com so you're on the official site, which helps avoid lookalikes and ensures you land in the right place. Once Webflow loads, you'll be taken into the Webflow environment. Look for the option labeled View Site. Click it to open your project so you can work directly on the canvas. If you have multiple projects, you'll typically see a project view. The View Site option opens the specific site you want to edit. This brings you into the Designer, where you can add and arrange elements on the page. Inside the Designer, open the Add panel. This is often labeled Add Elements and is represented by a plus icon. Clicking it reveals the full list of elements you can place on the page. If your workspace looks busy, don't worry. This panel makes it easy to search for exactly what you need without scrolling. Use the search field in the Add panel and type Form Block. As you type, Webflow filters the results so you can find the form components quickly. The form block is a pre-built wrapper that includes common form elements and handles structure for you, which is perfect for creating a basic login layout. Now click Form Block. Webflow will place it into your page at the current insertion point, usually inside whatever parent element you have selected. If you want it in a specific section or container, make sure that area is selected first so the form block appears in the right spot. You'll see a form wrapper with fields, labels, and a Submit button. This gives you a solid starting point for a login form layout. From here, you can later rename fields, adjust labels, and style the form to match your design system, all without changing how the block was added. That's it. You searched for Webflow on Google, opened your site, accessed the Add panel, searched for Form Block, and inserted a form block into your design. Follow these steps whenever you need a clean, consistent starting point for forms in Webflow.